The interdicted Resident State Attorney of Adjumani is the first official to fall into Chibita's dragnet as he vows to clean up the directorate.
Any officer implicated in corruption or any other offenses or criminal offenses will be dealt with severely.
Such vices in the directorate have been blamed for many cases that government continues to lose in court. In an exclusive interview, Chibita told NTV that he has received many files of cases ranging from corruption to murder. One of the cases is that of businessman Hassan Basaja Balaba. It is alleged that Basaja Balaba was fraudulently compensated 142 billion shillings for Nakasero and Owino markets.
So maybe what you need to ask is, when do we expect a decision? Early next week, I intend to ensure that I've dealt with it and made a decision on it.
This comes after numerous allegations that some files of high-profile citizens and henchmen in government never see the light of day.
Nobody has given me a list of untouchables since I got into this office. So as far as I'm concerned, nobody is untouchable.
Recently, civil society raised a flag on some convicts who are granted bail and continue to roam the streets freely pending their appeal.
It is our job to oppose bail, and we are going to oppose bail.
In a bid to save time and taxpayers' money, Chibita told NTV that the directorate is yet to adopt a new system where if suspects plead guilty in time, they will be redeemed of their maximum sentences, some of which attract a death penalty.
So instead of asking for death, we'll ask for life imprisonment. And we make a recommendation to the court. Good enough, the court is also on board in this, so that through plea negotiations, we are able to cover so many cases and yet get the convictions that we need and keep the people in jail that would really be there, and yet move much faster.
For now, prosecution's hands remain tied, awaiting a ruling from the Constitutional Court on whether the Anti-Corruption Court should resume its operations or not. This is after a section of Legal Brains challenged its composition on grounds that magistrates cannot preside over cases within a High Court division. But critics are saying that unless on the side of the directorate there is zero tolerance among the state attorneys, government still has a long way in stamping corruption out of this country. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV, Kampala.